Your employee's computer is all the evidence you need. A solution for temporary focused investigations that installs quickly, records detailed information on employee activity, and enables fast, accurate, and efficient exploration and playback of the recorded data. Veriato Investigator provides the answers you need so informed decisions get made. When performing an investigation, you need data on employees' activity. What happened? Are my suspicions correct? Is anyone else involved? What damage was caused? Veriato Investigator provides you with a digital paper trail of an employee's actions and displays this information in an easy-to-read format, giving you the answers you need. Designed for focused investigations, Veriato Investigator puts the evidence at your fingertips. Let's take a look at the core functionality of Veriato Investigator. To start, we see that you can record snapshots of the user's desktop, and then at the interval you define. These snapshots can be played back much like watching a DVR. This lets you see exactly what happened in context. You can also capture chat communications such as Skype and Google Hangouts. The software will capture website activity, including how long someone was actively working on or viewing each site they visit. The email activity option gives you a log of inbound and outbound email, including web-based mail. Files transferred provides a record of any downloads or uploads initiated by the end user. At times, recording keystrokes is necessary, like when dealing with highly privileged users who could bring the network down with a single keystroke. Application usage provides insight into what applications were used and for how long. User status, including logon, keyboard, and mouse activity, is logged so you know if employees are logging in at night or on weekends. File tracking gives your organization the ability to detect data theft, showing a digital trail of all document movement from shares to local disk, or more importantly, to cloud-based storage or removable disks. Finally, network activity allows you to see which applications are connecting to the internet, when and where the connections are made, the IP ports they use, and the amount of network bandwidth consumed by those connections. Now that we understand what data is collected, let's look at employee activity through the eyes of Veriato Investigator. We need to know what Mick Eberhard is doing. Using Veriato Investigator, we simply select his computer or user account from the control center and launch the viewer. The viewer displays the event activity based on a particular date and time. For instance, Mick's web activity shows us he was searching for jobs on CareerBuilder, Dice, and Indeed.com. We can see what Mick was doing online, but also how long he was actively working on the websites he visited. To provide further context, we can view screenshots of Mick's desktop at that given point in time. The snapshot viewer allows us to play back events as if we were looking over Mick's shoulder when he performed these actions. As we can see, he is not happy with his boss and is venting to an outside friend while searching for jobs on company-owned computers. Veriato Investigator goes well beyond website activity. Looking here, we see chat communications. Both chat and email reporting provide logging of communications, but also the content of each conversation. This level of detail is needed when conducting an investigation to ensure that decisions are made based on a complete and accurate picture. The software recognizes keywords within the content of communications and alerts you of inappropriate usage, indications of data theft, or fraud. Veriato Investigator can also alert when keywords are matched in chat, IM, email, websites, program names, keystrokes, file transfer information, and Windows captions. Keywords that have been detected can be reviewed underneath the Keywords Detected section of the viewer. We see here the keywords that were detected and the details surrounding those events. Concerned that confidential data is being kept secure? Using the file tracking feature allows you to determine who touched files, which files were copied, moved, or printed, and how resources are being used. As we can see here, this particular user has successfully been able to steal sensitive company data using cloud and removable storage methods. Besides a detailed view of employee activity, Veriato Investigator will also provide a summary of events such as top 10 websites visited, chat, and email usage, and so forth. Veriato Investigator is a targeted monitoring solution, providing you with the proof you need to conduct fast, accurate investigations exactly when you need it.